I'm absolutely bouncing it. I'm sweaty Betty. There's a Ferrari ahead of us.
Catch him. You're going to catch him.
I'm going to try.
Keep going. That's it. Keep going.
I can't believe I've just overtaken a Ferrari.
He's gone around the outside of him. Can you believe that?
This truly is amazing. I'm surrounded by some of the coolest cars I've ever seen. I've come to Mondello Park to experience everything this amazing place has to offer.
I mean, every car tells a story. Nigel Mansell's Indy car there, set up for the ovals, very little downforce. That would do a lap at like 230, 240 miles an hour. NASCAR is a massively popular sport in America, but actually worldwide as well. Martin Brain, who owned and rebuilt Mondello Park, had a team, and he was the first ever non-American to have a NASCAR team, which is pretty impressive. So he had 2 NASCARs running under Team Ireland with some very impressive sponsors, 1,400, 1,500 brake horsepower from this car, but it would only last for 4 laps. So they would turn the boost up, put on sticky tires, and just clench and take a deep breath, and you have to get that lap in. So a lot of danger involved, but very exciting. This car is the Eddie Jordan car, and it's got some sponsors on it. Eddie was always wheeling and dealing. So the story is that Eddie managed to get an audience with the Irish government. He said, this is where you need to be, and I'm the only person that can put you on the world stage. Almost every day of the week there's something on at Mondello Park. So as a business venue, it's second to none. I think if people want to go to have an event and you want people to go, have it here. You know, if the address is Mondello Park, they're going to come. They might not want to go to a hotel on a Tuesday. They want to go to Mondello Park.
I'm nervous because this car's probably worth about €250,000. Oh my God, you expect me to drive this wild beast?
We're going to tame it. Straight. Don't stop until I say. Keep going. And brake.
Oh my God, that's the fastest I've ever driven. Ooh. Oh my God. This is proper. Sorry, I'm driving like a granny. I'm driving the Ferrari like a granny. And no offense to the grannies out there. This is a scary machine. That was sensational. That was some experience driving a Ferrari, something I've never done before. And if I win the Euro Millions, I will buy one. Something else, this Mondello experience.